Look at this from Messi. Look at this, Rob.
He leaves one, he leaves two for them. Takes on three, takes on four, beats the goalkeeper. He's just lost for words.
Thiago. Messi.
Mr. Boss. But here's Messi. Away from 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, wonderful.
Ditch, head to the area. Messi coming inside. Turns him inside out. Chips it over the goalkeeper. It's absolutely sensational.
Espectacular.